You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from science. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from definitely at the end of this video. If you want to learn more polyposis, English pronunciation, how to pronounce polyposis. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here as polyposis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.